Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is iPhone 16 Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. Alright, so first to do this we have to open our settings, and next we have to open accessibility. Now here we have to head to the touch option, where we have to turn on reachability option. As you can see, it allows to swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach. And now look, when we do this, when we swipe here from the bottom, one-handed mode is enabled. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!